Dubai's strategic location between Europe, Asia, and Africa makes it a prime destination for international business and tourism. The city hosts numerous global events and conferences, attracting professionals from various industries. With a focus on innovation, Dubai continually evolves, introducing new attractions and experiences to captivate visitors. The city's commitment to sustainability is evident in initiatives like the Dubai Clean Energy Strategy 2050, aiming to make Dubai a global center for clean energy and green economy. The integration of solar power and eco-friendly buildings showcases the city's dedication to environmental stewardship. Additionally, Dubai's parks and green spaces provide residents and tourists with refreshing outdoor experiences amidst the urban landscape. The nightlife in Dubai is equally vibrant, with a plethora of bars, clubs, and entertainment venues that cater to diverse tastes. Cultural festivals and art exhibitions further enrich the city's social scene, making it a hub for creativity and expression. The blend of traditional and contemporary influences creates a unique atmosphere that appeals to both locals and visitors. The Dubai Museum and Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood offer insights into the city's past, showcasing its transformation from a small fishing village to a modern metropolis. Traditional markets, or souks, provide an authentic shopping experience where visitors can find spices, textiles, and handicrafts. The city's cultural diversity is celebrated through various events, fostering a sense of unity among its residents. Architectural marvels like the Dubai Frame and the Museum of the Future further exemplify the city's innovative spirit. Each structure tells a story, blending traditional Islamic design with modern aesthetics. The skyline is constantly evolving, with new projects that push the boundaries of engineering and creativity. Community events and festivals highlight the rich tapestry of cultures in Dubai, promoting understanding and collaboration among its residents. This diversity not only enriches the local culture, but also enhances the overall experience for visitors. Guided tours offer unique experiences, such as hot air balloon rides and wildlife safaris, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the desert's beauty. The traditional Bedouin camps provide an authentic glimpse into the region's heritage, complete with storytelling and traditional music. These adventures create lasting memories and a deeper appreciation for Dubai's natural landscapes. The hospitality industry in Dubai is renowned for its exceptional service, with many hotels featuring world-class spas, fine dining, and unique experiences like underwater suites. Luxury resorts often host exclusive events and activities, ensuring guests have unforgettable stays. Budget accommodations also maintain high standards, making Dubai accessible to a wide range of travelers. The airport's proximity to Dubai makes it a convenient entry point for travelers, with efficient transport options like taxis and shuttle services available. With its impressive architecture and modern facilities, the airport enhances the travel experience from the moment visitors arrive. Additionally, the airport frequently hosts art exhibitions and cultural displays, showcasing Emirati heritage. Guided tours often include educational components where visitors learn about the desert ecosystem and its inhabitants. The thrill of dune bashing and the tranquility of a desert sunset create a perfect balance of excitement and relaxation. These experiences foster a deeper connection to the natural beauty and cultural significance of the Arabian desert. The city's theme parks and entertainment venues cater to families and thrill seekers alike, offering a variety of attractions that appeal to all ages. Water sports such as jet skiing and parasailing provide exhilarating ways to explore Dubai's stunning coastline. Seasonal events like the Dubai Shopping Festival attract visitors from around the world, making it a must-visit destination for shoppers. Dubai's commitment to innovation is reflected in its investment in smart city technologies and sustainable urban planning. The city's ambitious projects aim to enhance the quality of life for residents while attracting global talent and investment. As Dubai continues to evolve, it remains focused on creating a vibrant, inclusive, and sustainable future for all. Dubai's unique blend of experiences ensures that every visitor can find something that resonates with their interests and passions. From adrenaline-pumping adventures to serene cultural explorations, the city offers a diverse range of activities. As you explore Dubai, you'll discover that its charm lies in its ability to surprise and inspire at every turn.